The installation of a stamped steel oil pan is one of the quality added features included on Jasper's remanufactured Ford 6.7-liter Scorpion diesel engine. Early model Scorpion diesel engines came equipped with a composite plastic oil pan. This pan utilized a plastic unthreaded drain plug. Jasper's determined these composite pans can easily be damaged if impacted, while the drain plug is prone to leaks and can eventually break over time. Jasper's remanufacturing process for the Scorpion diesel includes the installation of a stamped steel oil pan with a metal threaded drain plug. The steel pan reduces the chance of pan damage, while the threaded drain plug eliminates the chance of leaking and breakage. The stamped steel oil pan replacement for our remanufactured 6.7-liter Scorpion diesel is another way that Jasper provides you and your customer with the perfect product.